Have you ever wondered how some people seem to speak English so naturally, almost as if they were born speaking it? Today, I want to share with you a powerful technique called shadowing that can dramatically improve your English speaking skills, pronunciation, and confidence. And the best part? You can start using it right away, no matter your level. Shadowing is simple in concept, but incredibly effective. It means listening to a native speaker and repeating exactly what they say in real time, trying to match their tone, rhythm, and pronunciation. Think of it like following a shadow, hence the name. You're not just reading or memorizing words, you're copying the way English sounds naturally. When I first started using shadowing, I remember feeling a little silly. I was sitting in my room, headphones on, repeating every word a speaker said in a podcast. At first, it felt awkward. My sentences came out fast or slow, and I stumbled a lot. But then something amazing happened. After a few days, my tongue felt more comfortable forming English sounds. My listening got sharper, and I began to notice patterns in sentences that I never paid attention to before. Within a few weeks, I could speak with more confidence and flow without pausing to think about every single word. The beauty of shadowing is that it trains your brain and mouth simultaneously. You hear the correct pronunciation, mimic it, and your brain starts linking sounds to meaning naturally. You also improve your intonation and rhythm, which is something textbooks often miss. English is a language of rhythm and stress, not just words. Shadowing helps you speak with that natural musicality that makes your English sound fluent. To start shadowing, you don't need anything fancy. Pick a short audio or video clip of a native speaker, maybe a podcast, YouTube video, or even a news segment. Start with one sentence at a time. Play it, pause, and repeat out loud. Try to match not just the words, but the speed, tone, and emotion. This is important because English is not just about words. It's about how you express them. After a few repetitions, try to shadow it in real time, speaking along with the audio without pausing. At first, it will feel fast, maybe too fast. That's okay. Keep practicing every day. Another tip is to record yourself. While shadowing, listening back to your own voice is a game changer. You'll notice pronunciation mistakes, rhythm problems, or words that feel awkward. Correcting yourself this way accelerates learning. I used to record myself repeating short podcasts, and it was unbelievable how much my pronunciation and fluency improved over a month. You can shadow anything: news, stories, conversations, or even dialogues from movies. The key is to choose content that interests you. If you enjoy the topic, you'll be more motivated to practice daily. Also, start with short clips of 30 seconds to a minute. Don't overwhelm yourself. Quality is more important than quantity. 5 minutes of focused shadowing is far more effective than 30 minutes of distracted listening. Consistency is critical. I recommend shadowing at least 15 to 30 minutes every day. If you can, do it in the morning when your mind is fresh, or before going to bed when your brain is in consolidation mode. Over time, your speaking will start to feel more automatic, more natural, and more fluent. You'll notice that when you have a real conversation, your brain retrieves words and sentences faster without translating in your head. I want to share a personal story. When I first tried shadowing, I chose a short TED Talk about motivation. I shadowed 1 minute a day for 2 weeks. At first, I could barely keep up, but I persisted. By the end of 2 weeks, I could shadow the same minute without stopping, with almost perfect pronunciation and rhythm. The confidence I gained carried over into my daily conversations, and I could actually feel my English thinking faster, almost as if I were speaking like a native in small ways. So, if your goal is to improve your English fast, shadowing is one of the most effective methods out there. It trains your ears, your tongue, your brain, and your confidence all at once. Remember, the secret is daily practice, patience, and persistence. You won't become perfect overnight, but your English will improve dramatically if you stick to it. Start small, practice daily, record yourself, and pay attention to tone, rhythm, and emotion. Over time, you'll notice your English becoming smoother, faster, and more natural. And the best part is, shadowing is fun once you get into the rhythm. It's like playing a musical instrument. You're learning the language's melody while speaking it. Thank you for joining me on the English Hour today. If you found this episode helpful, subscribe, like, and share it with someone who wants to speak English more fluently and naturally. Start shadowing today, and I promise in just a few weeks, your English will sound better than ever. Keep practicing, stay consistent, and I'll see you in the next episode with more practical tips to improve your English fluency fast.